And I got Hoppkidd on the beat. Why you tripping, nigga? Why you tripping? Why you tripping?
Never had shit, never had, slide.
Never had shit, cause I made it out the mud. I've seen lot of shit that can make your heart stop. Lost lot of people, so these tears turn to blood. Cannot quit smoking, cause I'm going through a lot. Yeah, snakes in the grass, man, they tryna bite my hand. Scared to lose focus, can I sleep, can I rest? Now I don't trust nobody, so I cannot do no debts. I be smoking so much gas, cause I'm tryna bend this fast. Can you hold me down, cause I'm going through some shit? Scared to let you down, so I'm hiding how I feel. If I tell you that I love you, don't you know that shit is real? So much in my head, baby, I might take a pill. High as fuck reminiscing. I lost my brother in the street through this real shit. Put my pain in this lyrics. Smoking too much out, tryna focus on this healing, yeah.
High as fuck reminiscing. I lost bros.
Yeah, what he hitting on his slime when he tryna get that guap. The wake part about it, hate that niggas never stand there. Chad Dizzy ain't no battle, but I know we got it right. I took them tests just to show them niggas that I'm at the top. Got my nigga flipping pens and pots, now we cooking up. My life a movie, if you see me, you will never get enough. So I stick it to my business and I write it in the book. I'm getting rusty, call my phone, and they ask how much the fee. I told them no, we my brothers, I'ma do this shit for free. I ain't gon' fuck up all them jeans, cause I'm down on my feet. You finna pay me top dollar when we get out of the street. Rap niggas really fake, they turning rats for the cheap. I ain't even stressing, I got help on the beat. And my nigga Rusty dropping all these buzz for the team. I promise that we're winning if we keeping up with this shit. Fucking with the top business, now I know that we lit.
I'm gonna with the correction. It's alright, it's alright, it's alright.